Hey there, it's Sarah with WTI. Let's get real about wrapping paper. So there's two things I absolutely hate about wrapping gifts. And the first is when my wrapping paper is really thin, so it's see-through or it rips really easily. And the other thing I hate is how I have to buy tons of wrapping paper in order to have different options. So if I'm wrapping gifts for more than one person, or I'm wrapping gifts for one person but multiple gifts, I have to buy a ton of wrapping paper in order to make it different. Well, I'm about to solve both of those problems with this wrapping paper right here.
So these 4 rolls are from American Greetings, and it is their red and gold reversible. No joke. So it's so thick and it is not see-through, easy to use, easy to wrap, and you literally have a totally different contrasting pattern in every roll. How exciting is that for those gift wrappers out there? It means that you can really change up the look of your gifts, and you get a lot of value in these 4 beautiful rolls.
So if you're looking for a high quality wrapping paper that gives you a thick wrapping paper that's not going to rip or be see-through and is literally reversible, so you're buying 4 rolls, but you're really getting 8 patterns. Mind blown. I love this wrapping paper. So if those things are important to you, then this is the wrapping paper for you. And that's my point of view.